Look at your AI. It's not just a tool, it's an externalized map of your own nervous system. Most people are using AI to bypass their own labor, which is actually a bypass of their own evolution. We are projecting our loneliness, our boredom, and our lack of purpose into a simulated collaborator. If your prompts are frantic, your outputs will be fragmented. If your strategy is based on fear, your AI integrations will be chaotic. AI is a transformer model. It works on predictive processing, the exact same way your brain calculates reality. Your nervous system is the ultimate prompt. If you are in a state of freeze or survival mode, your interaction with technology will mirror that paralysis. Stop trying to fix the AI and start regulating the prompter. Your business plan is your biology. When you calibrate your own system, the AI shifts from a distraction engine into a sovereignty multiplier. Join the regulated lab to learn how to use AI from a regulated nervous system state.